Hello, my name is Javier, and today we're going to be talking about iOS 16.7.1 released to the public all around the world for older models supporting iOS 16 at the same time. And is available for iPhone 8, 8 Plus, iPhone 10, and all the way to the latest iPhone 14 Pro and Pro Max. Apple has released a bunch of beta updates with iOS 17.1 Beta 3, Watch OS 17.1 Beta 3, and many others. So size varies depending on the device you're coming from and the update. So this comes in at about 3.15 gigabytes. So we haven't yet installed it. I will install it now. So this should be working for older models, iOS 8 and older. This updating includes 21 new emojis and includes other bug fixes, including other enhancements and security updates for the phone. Some features may not be available for all regions and Apple devices. For the information, go to their website. So Apple security release notes, which will show you here on their website. You can take a look at them if you like. It does tell you the latest updates, securities, and everything for that update. So far as features and changes, well, the only thing that it tells us is that this is a very important update for security fixes, and it's recommended for all users using older devices. We'll take a look at the battery life on this phone. This is an iPhone 10. This actually has a very old battery life, 81%. So the update on this should be perfectly fine for older devices. I would love to see optimized battery charging options that we have on the iPhone 15, 15 Pro, and Pro Max and regular models for older devices, such as charging up to 80% instead of all the way up to 100%. This is a good option because the batteries have been degrading for years. So should you install iOS 16.1? Yes, absolutely would, especially if you're planning on staying on iOS 16. We don't know how long Apple is actually going to be updating this. So if there's any other securities update with iOS 16.2 or 16.8, we don't know if it's actually coming out to other devices such as iPhone 13 Pro and Pro Max. Hopefully Apple continues to give people the choice there. I wish they would give me a choice to be able to downgrade as well, but it seems like right now you should be able to install that and wouldn't worry about performance. Apparently some people are still having and experiencing Wi-Fi connectivity and data loss. And also sometimes the phone isn't even setting off the alarm. If you have an alarm set and it's just rebooting at night, have actually been experiencing that. I would love to see iOS 17 address some of these issues, but we may not see that until iOS 17.1 is released. But either way, I would love to see iOS 17 address some of these issues that we may not see them until iOS 17.1 is released. But either way, we still have a couple days left in this week. Maybe we'll see that as soon as today or maybe later on. But either way, I'm glad to see that Apple has been updating iOS 16 older devices to support battery life, performance, and other features. There is a new update for AirPods. There's a new update, firmware update to version, let's take a look at here. Let's connect our AirPods. A version update for both AirPods Pro, second generation with USB Type-C. There's also a case update here, also for the Lightning as well. Everything with iOS 16.1 is, there's not a whole lot there, but there's mostly security updates. Let me know if you're installing as you stick with iOS 16 for a while. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. If you haven't yet already, please subscribe. I do appreciate it. Hit that like button if you enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next video. Peace.